Day 6. Loops in Python. What if Python could repeat tasks automatically? In Python, loops are used to repeat code multiple times. Example: for I in range open parenthesis 5, close parenthesis colon, print open parenthesis I close parenthesis. This loop prints numbers from 0 to 4 automatically. Instead of writing the same code again and again, loops save time. There are mainly two types of loops: for loop and while loop. Loops are used in games, automation, AI training, and data processing. Tomorrow we'll learn functions in Python. Follow Innovex Arena and continue your coding journey.